Hi, this is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and today I'm shooting my weekly action plan with me for the week starting January the 22nd. So that would be tomorrow, Monday. So we're doing our planning for this coming up week. This is my daily planner, and it is a Folio planner by May Designs for Blue Skies, and you can pick it up at Target. There's several different designs. And I have a video about that if you want to check that out. And let's see. This is this week. Today is Sunday. And I need to shoot this video, which I'm doing right now. So let's look and see what else I did and didn't do from my weekly to-do list for last week. I needed to choose, I had a self-help book on the list, but I just didn't see anything I felt like reading. So I chose a nutrition book. I am going to start reading The Plant Paradox by Dr. Stephen Gundry. And that is basically how plant lectins attack your body, because that's what they are designed to do. I should say it's the seeds. When you eat plant seeds, it's the lectins there that attack your body and cause things like holes in your intestines and irritable bowel and so forth. So I thought that was worth a read. I'll let you know how that goes. And last week, if you watched my video, I chose .com Secrets by Russell Brunson as my business book to read. And I'm probably, 2 or 3 chapters in. And it is a good overview for someone building an online business. He doesn't tell you exactly how to do everything, but he gives you the big picture and tells you what you need to do. So he's talking about building a value ladder, the different products you need to have within your funnels, and he's talking about how to set up and write your emails and how you should be emailing your customers. And that's as far as I've gotten so far. So that is the business book I'm reading, and that actually ties into one of my other goals that I had for this week, which, where is it? Was to watch my Raising Your Business module on email. I haven't done that yet because I'm reading this book and I want to kind of get a couple of different views on that. So I'm going to actually watch that module to this coming up week. And I'm also going to add to read The Plant Paradox and to read .com Secrets. Now, setting up my email is a project that I'm working on. Reading books is part of my yearly goals. So that's why those are on my list. Exercise 3 times. For the second week, I have not done this, so I'm going to try it again for this week. Now, we are in East Texas, and this past week, it snowed, and everything was icy, and it was just horrible. And on top of that, I was sick. So it was a really rough week here. So exercise did not even cross my mind. Let's see. We're going to try it again next week, though. So one art journal lesson. I'm going to try and do that this afternoon. I have yet to get to that in my weekly things I'm doing, but it's something I do want to do. So I am enrolled in Life Book 2018 with Tamara Laporte. And she is an awesome teacher, and she's got a bunch of other great teachers that are teaching alongside her. So I am really excited to do this, but the time hasn't been there. I had other things I had to do, and then I was sick. So like I said, it's been a rough week. So I am just going to cross that off because that just did not happen. Now, I am working on a workbook, and that is called Optimizing Your Health. It's Optimizing Your Health workbook. So I did work on that yesterday. I created the first 6 pages, and I have sent them off to my artiste daughter to work on. She's going to do some hand drawing for my workbook. She is so awesome at that. So we'll see how that works out for the both of us. Let's see, weigh in. Actually, I need to actually create some more workbook pages here. So that's going to be on my list for next week. I'm just kind of taking it a section at a time so I don't get ahead of myself, and so she can work on the artwork and we can work together on that. Okay, I did weigh myself, and I need to do that again, if I could spell it right, this next week. So the scale says I haven't lost any weight, but my clothes are looser, so I'm going to go with that, and we're going to try again on the scale next week. Okay, shoot 2 videos. This is the second video for this week, and then I need to shoot 2 more videos for next week. Write 1 blog post. And I did that yesterday. So that is going up today. I should say that went up. I wrote it yesterday and it went up yesterday, and that is on how I use the different components in my planning system along with David Allen's Getting Things Done method. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it below. Okay, another project I have is create Pinterest business account. So I did do that, and let me look at my project planning and see what the next thing I have to do for that project. This is my Moleskin notebook. If you haven't seen that, there's a video flip through on that. And this is that project. So I created my account. Now I need to create some boards for that. So I'm going to put that on my to-do list. Now looking at my other projects, let's see if there's anything else we want to work on. Okay, this is setting up my email welcome sequence in MailChimp. I had that on my list already because I did not work on that last week. Update my home page. I'm not currently working on that. Let's see. This is update a Kindle book that I wrote. I'm not currently working on that. This is the Pinterest. We are working on that. These are my last couple of blog posts. And that is all I have for now. Now my main, I should say, like offerings I'm going to do this year are in my Shining Year workbook. And that is the Optimizing Your Health workbook. That is the only project I have in here so far. So I did the mind map, I did the storyboard, I created a mock-up of the pages, and I am here on this step creating text and boxes for pages, and my daughter is working on creating the artwork, so we're kind of working hand in hand on that. So I'm doing pretty good. I want to try and get this project completed and for sale by the end of the first quarter. So that's where I am with that. Let's see. Flip back to last week. One of my goals is to have a date night every month with my husband, and he said he wanted to go to our local comedy club. It's new, so I Googled and found out the time and how much that is, so now I need to set a date for that. I need to set a date for my date. Okay, and let's see. I had to make or buy a card for my daughter Erin, and since I was sick and everything was snowed and iced under, I did not go to the store last week. So today I simply got on Canva and created a card and sent it to her by email. So I did complete that task, just not in the way I had planned on it. And then I had to update the goals blog post with the books because I did not have that on there originally, even though that was something that I wanted to do. So I did do that. Let's see. These are some notes on blog posts. And these little clippy things aren't working so well for me. Let's clip this back up and let's check my monthly goals to make sure I have not forgotten anything. So I had monthly goal update video. Haven't done that yet because it's not the end of the month. 10 videos, that's 2 a week, and I have that on my list. 5 blog posts, that's 1 a week. I have that on my list. 1 business, 1 self-help book, I have that on my list. Workbook review, that will be at the end of the month. Exercise, yeah, that's a struggle. 4 art journal lessons, not doing so well there either. Date night with my husband David, we're working on that. Weigh in, I'm doing good with that. Send my daughter a prize. So I'm going to check that off because I did send her something. I may send her something else, we'll see. And set up Pinterest account. I did do that. So a couple of these things, this is actually my goals section, and I put a couple tasks on there. I'm still working and learning my system, so we'll see. Let's see, did I have anything else that I need to do for this week? I think that's pretty much it. I make notes as I go along for my day so I know what I actually did. I do need to still do this. I bought this book as an add-on for a class, a journaling class, and I never got the link to it, and I've emailed Miss Lisa Sonora a couple times and still have not heard back from her or her assistant. I think Jen is her name. So we're going to try that again. So I will finish filling this out as I go through the week, and these are the things that I want to accomplish for this coming week. And I think that's a pretty good list, and I think it's doable. So, okay, I think that is my planning for this week. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you think it can help someone else, please share it with them. So I hope, like me, you are working towards your goals and completing your projects for 2018. And I'd love to hear about any projects you are working on, so you can leave those in the comments below also. And as always, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching my video, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.